The Centre is likely to table in Parliament this week the bill to raise the marriageable age for women 18 from 21 to. The Bombay High Court has dismissed the petition filed by Maharashtra Minister for Food and Civil Supply Chhagan Bhujbal against assessment proceedings by Income Tax Department. Law Minister Kiran Rijiju will introduce the Election Laws Bill 2021 in the Lok Sabha on Monday. India's Omicron daily report crossed the 150 mark on Sunday and stood at 155 with 10 fresh cases reported from 2 states, 6 from Maharashtra and 4 from Gujarat. Alarmed at the growing danger from cyberspace and threat to national security, the government is in the process of setting up a unified national level cybersecurity task force with a special focus on the risk emanating from the telecom sector. The BMC has sought an explanation from Baikula Zoo officials and Civic Building Maintenance Department after bids for construction of the new set of animal enclosure shot Rs 106 crore above BMC estimate, and only 2 companies submitted bids. Union Home Minister Amit Shah on Sunday took on the Mahavikas Aghadi government of Shiv Sena, Congress and CP combined by accusing it of promoting the culture of corruption and touts since assuming office in Maharashtra. Severe cold wave conditions were observed in Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh, the Indian Meteorological Department said on Sunday. Congress on Sunday accused Assam Chief Minister Hemant Biswa Sarma and his family of grabbing 18 acres of land meant for the landless and demanded that Sarma step down immediately and a time-bound SC-monitored probe be ordered into the scam. From psychological counseling, extension of visas by 6 months and proposed scholarship for further studies to facilitating immigration to another country or even their return to Afghanistan, the Indian Army is providing all possible help to the around 700 Afghan military officers, soldiers and cadets in the country. Salman Khan has announced the sequel of Bajrangi Bhaijaan at the RRR pre-released in the city. The sequel is to be written by S.S. Rajamouli's father, K.V. Vijayendra Prasad.